Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we learn how to remove FRP Realme C75. Okay, first of all I will show you test point. Where is test point? First click on TP point. Okay, then select brand Oppo. Next search here Realme C75. Okay, here see Realme C75 RMX 3941. Click on. Okay, wait few seconds. Then here test point. This is test point of Realme C75 RMX 3941. This test point touch to ground. Okay, touch to ground by user. Then insert the cable. Here click on Oppo. Then search here Realme C75. Here RMX 3941. CPU is MTK 6768. Click on this model. Then preloader auth already selected. Here Oppo Realme version 1, Oppo Realme version 2, Oppo Realme version 3. Select version 3. Okay, then erase FRP. Click on erase FRP option. Okay, wait few seconds. Here waiting for device. Then your test point touch to ground and insert the cable. Your FRP will be removed. If you see any error, then try to multiple time. Your FRP will be done. Okay, or removed. Thank you so much watching for my videos.